Good morning, students. Today we will be studying English 1, that is English grammar. We will be studying chapter number 3, names of animals and birds. Now, in the previous chapter, we have studied the names of things. Okay, we had studied that there are so many things and everything has a different name. Now, in this chapter, we will study the names of animals and birds. Animals and birds are living things like you. They also move around, eat and play. Animals and birds have names too. Now, animals and birds are also living things like us. Living things matlab they can move around. They can move from one place to another. They eat like we eat. Animals and birds also eat and they also play. Now, animals and birds have different names. See, like lion, tiger, elephant, they are animals. And crow, owl, parrot, they are birds. सब animals और birds के names एक जैसे हैं? No, सबके names अलग अलग होते हैं. Okay, which we have studied that there are so many animals, so many birds, and they have different names. Now, see this exercise. Some of the following living things live on trees and should sit on the tree. Okay, that is number 1. That is the birds. Trees पे कौन रहते हैं? Birds. The rest of them need to rush to the jungle. That is the wild animals. They live in the jungle. Help the animals go to the correct places. Now what we have to do? See this box. Okay? This is a jumble box. इसमें animals, birds, सबके names दिए हुए हैं. Now we have to move them to their respective places. Now see number 1. ये वाला जो tree है, that is for the birds. See the birds are drawn over here. So we have to find out whatever the name of the birds are there, that we will write in this tree. This is the tree for the birds. And see number 2. This is for the animals. They live in the jungle. So see here, lion and the rabbit are sitting. So whichever animals are there from this box, those names we will find and write in this tree. Okay? ये help box में जो भी birds के names है, वो हम first tree में लिखेंगे. See the birds are drawn over here. और जो भी animals के name है, वो हम लोग second tree में लिखेंगे. See the animals are sitting under this tree. Okay, let us start. Crow. Now crow is a bird, so that we will write in the first box. Then fox. Fox is an animal, so that we will write in the second box. Owl. Owl is also a bird, so that will be in the first tree, because that is for the birds. And then pigeon. Pigeon is also a bird, so that also we will write in the first tree. Tiger. Tiger is an animal, so that we will write in the second tree, which is for the animals. Then deer. Deer is also an animal, so that also we will write in the second tree. Then sparrow. Sparrow is a bird, so that we will write in the first tree. Then parrot. Parrot is a bird, so that also we will write in the first tree. Now, which is the next one? Zebra. That is an animal. So we will write in the second tree, which is for the animals. Then giraffe. That is also an animal. So we will write in the second tree, that is for the animals. So understood, students? What we have done? We have seen the names of animals and birds in this box. Okay, and then whatever the birds were there, जो भी birds थे, that we have placed in the first tree. This is for the birds. And whatever the animals were there, that we have placed in the second tree, which is for the animals. So this you have to complete in your book. Now let us see the next page. Okay, now this is something that you all will like. Match the pictures with the names of animals and birds. Now see, the pictures of so many animals and birds is given over here. And in this circle, their names are written. So what we have to do? We have to match the picture with the name. Okay, let us see. Okay, see this picture. Which animal is this? This is a fish. Let us find out the fish over here. So match the name with the picture. Then what is this? Which bird is this? This is a parrot. So find out the spelling and match over here. Then what is this? This is a giraffe. So match the spelling with the picture. Then this is a monkey. So we will match over here. Okay, students, likewise you do these 6 by yourself so you can understand. This is very easy exercise. You just have to match the names of animals and birds with the pictures. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to do by yourself. And then we will discuss it in the online class. Now, let us see the next question. Okay, this is a value corner. Value corner means from which we can learn some value, some good manners. Now see, animals and birds are also living beings. Yes, they eat, they move around and they play like us. So how should we take care of them? हमको animals और birds का care कैसे रखना चाहिए? We should tease them. Tease करना मतलब परेशान करना. Like अगर there is a dog, तो आप उसको अगर stone फेंक के मार रहे हो, then that is called teasing. We should not do that. This is wrong. Put a cross over here. Then we should give them proper food and care. हमको animals को proper food, अच्छा food और care मतलब उनका ख्याल रखना चाहिए. Yes, this is right. Then we should put them in cage. In cages. Cages means पिंजरा. हमको animals को cage में बंद करके रखना चाहिए. No, this is wrong. Okay, so this is just for fun. Value corner in which we can learn some good values. Okay, so students, we have completed this chapter. Complete this in your English grammar textbook and then we will continue in the next class.